If you're looking for baby cabinet locks and straps, here's a collection you've got to see. Baby Safety Cabinet Locks and Straps Bestsellers Collection. Item number 1. By Lighting Mall. Watch this video and get inspired. 2. Item number 3. By MAPUX. Choose the best baby safety for your baby. Click the circle for more info. Item number 4. Five. Find these baby cabinet locks and straps at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Product number 7. By Toplus. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Nine. By Babykeeps. Discover more baby cabinet locks and straps ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.